Many of you are still making excuses why you are not making money online. You are looking for who to blame. And in life, if you are looking for alibis, you will have them plenty. You have government, you have your parents, you will have your society, you can even blame your church, you can blame your mosque, you can blame your uncle. There are lots and lots of excuses, if it's excuse you want to give. But I want to ask you this. Do you still want to give excuse, or do you want to make money? Many of you think all I need to do is start a business. Yes, start a business. But never start a business without trying out this method that I want to show to you today first. It's about discipline, it's not about motivation. Trash motivation. If you're waiting for motivation, poverty cannot allow you to be motivated. Poverty, in fact, hunger will drain the motivation out of you. You cannot teach motivation to a hungry man. There is no way he can be motivated. What he needs, though, is discipline. Military discipline. If you can discipline yourself enough to take action along the lines that I want you to take action, that I will show you today, you will come back in 30 days' time and you will thank me. You will come back and you will thank me. Now, I am very, very sure of this. Everybody who tries can make money. Everybody who takes action on what I am going to expose in this video can make money online, on YouTube, starting right now, immediately. But the question is, are you disciplined enough to take action? Or do you want to still continue to give excuses? You may have tried other methods before. They may have told you, oh, you can make money on YouTube. And you have even paid for some courses. And then you found out that it is very, very challenging. In fact, to get views, to get watch hour, to get subscriber, uphill task. You may have experienced that firsthand. But the truth of the matter still remains. It doesn't matter how many times you have failed in the past. It doesn't matter how many disappointments you have had in the past. I want to assure you, if you take action on what I'm going to reveal to you today, in the next 30 days, you will be getting paid by YouTube. Oh, sure for me. It's sure for me, and that's why I want to share it with you. I'm sharing it with you because I need a team of people who are financially empowered to change this country. Hungry people cannot think with their heads, they think with their stomach. And the more hungry Nigerians get, the more corrupt politicians weaponize poverty against them. So we cannot have a country that works for everybody, a country that moves in the direction of production, if we have hungry people. This is why I am motivated to share these things with you. I need to share them with you. It is possible that not many of you will take action. I know it. Procrastination will not allow you to take action. Excuses will not allow you to take action. But for as many of you that will take action on what I am telling you to take action on today, in the next 30 days, I can guarantee you, you will get paid. You will get paid. In the last video, I gave a challenge. I'm still waiting for you people to take me up on that challenge. Take me up on it. And if I don't deliver, come on in my comment section and tell me. Call me out. Drag me if you don't make money in the next 30 days with YouTube. Yes. Like I said, it's sure for me. All you need is direction and guidance. So send me an email if you are interested. Because like you know, this information cannot be for everybody. If everybody is interested, yes. Why not? But the truth is, I will not cast my pearls before swine. If you do, what happens is the swine will trample upon it. The information that I'm about to give to you will and can change your life. But if I just throw it out there, many of you will trample upon it like pigs. Yes, that is because when things are just thrown to you without you seeking them out, they are useless to you. So, I have the information that can change your life right now. immediately. Information that can start paying you in dollars in the next 30 days. But you have to want it. If you don't want it, there's nothing I can do. As much as I want everybody to have access to it, only serious people will get the benefit of this information. So I will say once again, if you're interested in that information, send me an email. My email is in the description below. Send me that email. It will show to me that you are serious and that you don't want to procrastinate anymore. It will prove to me that you value the information that I want to give you enough to take action. It will prove to me that you are ready to start earning money. Believe it or not everybody who says they are broke actually wants to start earning money. Some people enjoy being broke so they can beg people for money. Some people enjoy it. You'll be shocked. I know several people like that. They enjoy being broke. I have tried to get a job for people like that in the time past, and they'll simply tell you, oh, the pay is not enough, or that they can't do it, or if I get something better. There are people who simply just enjoy depending on one rich uncle, on one rich politician. It's easier for them to beg. Those are not the kinds of people I'm talking about. We cannot depend on those kind of people to change this country. There are so many things that we need Nigerians to do that they cannot do because of brokenness. Definitely not these kind of Nigerians that enjoy being broke just because they are looking for somebody to beg for money. They enjoy begging to live. If you're that kind of person, please, I'm sure you wouldn't even have the patience to watch this video this long. So it's for serious people. If you're serious, seek me out and you will thank yourself for doing that. Send me an email. Let's talk.